Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve kicking you out on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook and you can click. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.